Mga numero po, alam mo, nagpakita ng gilas na ng konti PNP pero still wasn't enough as the Philippine Army won by 10 points in that second set.
As you can see, they have 8 errors ang PNP ngayon. And compared to the Army, of course, isa lang. Na lesson na ng Army ang errors nila pero ang PNP tuloy-tuloy pa rin. And kaya naman siguro 10 points ang naging lamang na itong Philippine Army.
Pero the good sign dito, Michelle, is that tabla na sila sa attack points, 13 each. So, a little bit of aggression shown there para dito sa kupunan ng PNP. But again, sinasabi nga ni Bob Malenab, reception, reception, reception.
And yung errors nila nagagaling sa service, sa pag-over na lang ng simpleng bola, hindi talaga nila makuha.
Again, nangamote na naman sila sa reception. Here's Camilo Gana back in the game. And Tadeo cannot get there. So, Jovelyn Gonzaga is doing everything ngayon para dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army.
She already scored 13 points for the past 2 sets. And isa siya sa mga, actually, nag-iisa lang siya sa player na may double digits.
Di pa pinapawisan sa lagay na yan. Ito si Bionic Ilongga.
Malamig daw kasi, Noel.
Ba yun? Here's Carolina, sa bagay, no?
Malamig dito.
Carolina, may konting pawis na. Ayan, no? Glistening. Little bit. And it's 2-0 for the Philippine Army. If it's One Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Gusto mo ba ng sweat effect? Pag nag-shoot kami, may spritzer kami na nagsasplash ng pawis.
Peke pala yung pawis nyo, ha? Now we know. Salak, hindi aabot itong free ball na to. Natawa si Tina sa ginawa. Nagbibilang daw ng ilaw si Tina kung nasaan. Tapos doon niya, para sa bilyar, di ba? Tinitignan nila sa patatamahin to. Kulang daw ang bilang niya sa ilaw.
Nasilaw daw siya. Bright lights here in San Juan Arena.
Right. Here's Salak now going to Carolino. Concepcion keeping it alive. Molina. And walang kalaban-laban si Marciano against Gonzaga.
Yun talaga, nadukot na talaga ni Gonzaga. Andun pa lang sa court nila yung bola. Pa-over pa lang. Kuha na niya.
Ganyan po kalakas lumundag yan. Tandaan natin, Jovelyn Gonzaga is also a beach volleyball player. Alam po na marami yan. She recently represented the Philippines sa Universiade Games in Russia. That was just last July, if I'm not mistaken.
Mas malamig doon, Noel,
well. July summer na ngayon doon sa Russia. Si Gonzaga, alam niyo, pinag-uusapan natin siya. Patuloy na mamayagpag po itong taga-Gimaras, actually, na nag-aral sa Iloilo. Ayan. Another simple put away there coming from Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Isa yan sa mga left-handed utility spikers natin together with
Aiza Maizo.
Parehong magaling, parehong veterana pagdating sa volleyball.
She's only 22 though. Itong si Gonzaga at Michelle Carolino adds to the problems sa outside hitter position. Walang depensa na naipakita doon ng PNP. Now 5-1 Army. Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. King Balse to put it in play, formerly from UST. At si Concepcion, nakita niya, papunta na sa net yung bola, yari na siya.
Nakita rin niya tumalon si Michelle Carolino dun sa bola, pero wala. Ano lang daw yun? Fake.
Tadeo now having a hard time sa ating third set sa pag-contain ng mga serves ng Philippine Army.
At this point, gusto mo na lang makita lumaban ng PNP na mag-enjoy sila. Makuha, yung kanina pang inihingi ni Coach Molina sa kanila na enjoyin lang nila yung laro. Wala naman pressure.
Yep, and there's Gonzaga again. Si Gonzaga, ano yan yata is trying to eclipse her career high, which I don't know kung ano yung career high niya rito. But in their first game, which was a victory para dito sa Philippine Army, as Jeannie Saba sees her first action replacing Captain Bunag, ito pong si Jovelyn Gonzaga scored 16 points, 8 of them in the first set.
Konti na lang, mabibita niya yan. Konti na lang ngayong game na to.
So at least para sa season high man lang, ano?
Yes.
Another problem there for Tadeo on the serve of Balse. 8-1, it's all Philippine Army dito po sa ating third set. Ang ating schedule sa darating na Biyernes po dito sa San Juan Arena starting 2 p.m. FEU looking for its first victory against the undefeated Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. And at 4 p.m. labanan po ng Philippine Air Force going up against Smart Maynilad And we send it now to Rina Villamor.
Yes, this third set will all boil down to mental toughness for both teams. Ang sabi nga dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army team, si Coach Rico nag-remind sa kanila that they need to improve on their timing. Kailangan din wag silang maglaro ng overconfident in today's ball game. Kailangan din mas makalamang sila dito sa ating third set. Hindi katulad ng second set na medyo naging tight nga yung kanilang laro. As for the PNP Lady Patrollers naman, after that second set, alam mo ba ang ginawa sa kanila ni Coach Bob? Pinaupo sila dun sa silya nila. Sabi ni Coach Bob sa kanila, upo-upo muna kayo dyan, masyado kayong tensionado at para daw silang bibitayin sa larong ito. Well, according sabi nga kanina ni Michelle, the key to this game is to relax and to enjoy the game because the less that they are pressured in today's game, the more that they can think smartly. Back to you guys.
Well, ano yun, death row. Pag umupo dun sa mga upuan doon, ha?
Parang naghihintay na lang sila ng ano.
Well, stay of execution. Wala po makukuha ang ganon. As Jovelyn Gonzaga continues to execute para din sa Philippine Army. Ito si Coach Bob na sa kanya ko first time narinig. Isa nga diyang isang matinding inhale, exhale. Inhale. Pag natetense yung mga bata, pag natetense yung mga bata niya. Right now, it is 9-2 for the Philippine Army. That to win now. Sends it over to Sang Muang. Angela Nunag is in for the first time as libero para sa Army. And there is Jovelyn Gonzaga again. The Bionic Ilongga.
Talagang pounding on that volleyball.
At titignan natin ang ating slow motion replay brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. And Jovelyn Gonzaga is on fire sa larong ito. Carolino.
As you said kanina, career high.
Oh, approaching at least a season high. Tatanong natin mamaya kay Shervin Malonzo kung ano ba ang career high talaga ni Jovelyn Gonzaga in her, I think, 3 years of playing here in the Shakey's V-League. As Sang Muang sends it across. Jovelyn again.
Ilan points ba ang career high ito ni Jovelyn Gonzaga?
I don't know.
Para bang basketball na siguro?
Mga 20-something naman yan, I'm sure. Pero titignan natin, she's very close to getting that right now. Season high, alam natin, 16. Nakuha niya yan ng kanilang first
16.
game. Last
ngayon,
game,
mas marami na yata ngayon.
Last game, 11. 11 yung nakuha niya.
11.
Ayan na naman, Gonzaga keeping a play alive. Here's Dalia Cruz. Dug up there by Sang Muang. Concepcion, back to Pachari, Sang Muang. Ayun, nalusutan kay Jeannie Sabas.
PNP, ayaw bumitaw.
Well, maaga pa naman dito sa ating third set. If they can string these together, mas maganda yun para sa kanila to make this interesting as the former captain of the Thai national team penetrates the defense of the Lady Troopers.
Sang Muang is their highest pointer right now
so
for
far.
PNP.
Here is Dalia Cruz. Nasa open na si Dalia ngayon. Angeline Labrador cannot get there. Dalia Cruz, hindi po naalala siguro ng marami, was part of the Lyceum squad that won very many championships at WNCAA. Timeout PNP. Wala ka lang masasabi ko, ikaw si Coach Bob Talagang you're being outclassed slowly. Magpakita naman kayo ng konting aggression ba?
And excitement. Pagdating sa loob ng court, yung eager sila maglaro, gusto lahat ng tulong-tulong.
And of course, may kita po natin, the middle of your screens, Mr. Moy Martelino, and of course to his left is Mr. Ricky Palu, the chairman and the president of Sports Vision at 10 taon na po itong Shakey's V-League under their watch. So it is an exciting time for Philippine volleyball, especially dito po sa Shakey's V-League in its 10th season. Pachari Sang Muang in her 2nd season. Concepcion. And Sang Muang gives up the short free ball. Tina Sala, quick set to Jeannie Sabas. Sala keeps it alive. Jovelyn now for Dalia Cruz.
Kaya pa ba?
Hindi na. Binuhay pa ni Datuin So 13-3, Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Kwento nga kay Dalia Cruz. Part of the Holy Trinity ang tawag namin dito sa Lyceum dati. Dalia Cruz, Beverly Boton, Sherilyn Carillo. Yun yung 3 of the best volleyball players in the country. And masasabi natin the early part of the millennium, all playing for Lyceum. If I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, fans, 6 consecutive WNCAA titles na nakuha ng Lyceum. 5 of them with these players. And there's Dalia Cruz again. Alam mo, Dalia,
Yan ang
pinag-uusapan
sinasabi
siya.
mo.
Oo.
Ito mga, feeling ko may parang earpieces yung Army sa atin. Eh. Naririnig talaga nila kung tayo yung
Yan. Sila pinag-uusapan, ano? Si Dalia, hindi na nagbago rin ang hugis ng katawan niya from college. Pero mahilig kasi mag-gym.
Oh. Ganun talaga pag fit.
That's true.
At saka may mga tao talaga, Noel, na pinagpala lang talaga na gano'n talaga yung katawan.
Sige, sabihin na natin yung Michelle Gumabaw.
Hindi ako yun. Hindi talaga ako yun.
14-4. Oh, you're still in excellent condition. Balikat mo, kamusta?
No comment.
No comment.
Getting there.
Because as the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Pero konting pahinga na lang yan.
Wala showbiz ba to? No comment?
No comment. Tungkol sa balikat na lang, hindi ka tinatanong tungkol sa boyfriend eh. Here's Dalia Cruz off the block and she scores again.
Tuloy-tuloy ang pag-aarangkada ng Army
ngayon.
That's true.
Jenny Sabas will now serve. Kailangan din talaga statement wins lahat ng Philippine Army na games. You know, they have not dropped a set yet. Here's Jenny Sabas.
I don't think, Noel, that they're planning on it today.
Oh, it might not happen today, pero their schedule will not get any easier as Dalia Cruz has picked it up dito po sa ating third set. At ginugulo ang hairstyle ni Dalia Cruz. 10-12 ang Philippine Army. And phonetics time. www.v-league.ph is the league's official website. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, use the hashtag Shakey'sVLeague. Tingnan natin kung magta-trending ulit tayo. Oy, again belated happy birthday sa aking partner.
Thank you very
Michelle Gumabaw, 21 years old. At isa sa mga wish mo siguro, makapaglaro ka ulit dito. No? Nakikita sana natin si Michelle dito. Francis Molina able to score. Pero ito ano ang birthday wish mo? 21 ka na, Michelle.
Pagdating siguro sa birthday wish ko for this year, sasantabi ko na lahat ng political issues ng
well.
So personal na lang.
Okay.
Ako, birthday wish ko lang kay God talaga is good health.
Oh, and you have that
right now. What more can you wish for? Yes. Malayo naway ako sa mga sakit. Ang lalim nun
Medyo. Dalia Cruz, malalim din ang kuha doon. Here's Veronica Concepcion. Molina turned back by Balse.
Marciano, talagang masipag.
Hinahabol talaga lahat.
Suniming na niya.
Again, that's a good sign moving forward para sa PNP na masisipag yung kanilang bata, but they're just being outclassed today by the undefeated Philippine Army. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. 12-point lead for the Lady Troopers. And make that 11. Gonzaga nagulat doon. Ang lakas ng palo ng batang yan. Janine Marciano from San Beda.
Dapat tayo gumawa ng survey. Tutunin natin lahat ng mga live. Mga nanonood sa atin ng
live streaming. Sige, go ahead, Michelle. Tingnan natin.
Kaka-mention natin ng Shakey's, nagugutom ba sila? Kasi ako nagugutom talaga ako eh.
Alam mo, Michelle Carolino scores dito na di pala, lumabas pala yung tira ni Michelle Carolino. Pag binabanggit mo sa akin yung word na Shakey's, naamoy ko kaagad yung word.
Feeling ko yung face of the game tayo malapit sa atin lang.
Ganun ba? Hindi, pero yung mention lang, pag sinabi mo, tara, Shakey's tayo, naamoy mo na kaagad eh. Ging Balse scores that time. Diba, favorite pizza ko pa naman sa Shakey's, yung thin crust na garlic and cheese.
Yes, hindi kami nawawalan ng yung buy one take one card.
Yes! Nene Bautista returns, Tina Salak checks out, Michelle Carolina checks out, Ers Iratay, who is the only one among the non-liberos who has yet to score this season. Siya na lang hindi pa nakakatala ng puntos. Let's see if Ers Iratay can get it done.
Well, gusto mo na ba malaman kung ilan points itong si Jovelyn Gonzaga for the game?
Holy cow, tell me.
20 points for today. At hindi pa tayo tapos.
Hindi pa tayo tapos. We still have a long way to go dito po sa ating third set. Francis Molina. Oy, binuhay ng Masiko.
Akala ko okay eh.
Binuhay, pwede po yan. Balse and Bautista using their elbows to keep it alive. Trivia rin po sa inyo lahat. Balse and Bautista were actually teammates in the first conference para sa Arellano University. Guest player silang dalawa doon. Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Pag nakikita natin yung set scores ng mga individual players, ang layo talaga ng mga PNP Lady Patrollers dito sa game na to. And siguro nagkulang na talaga sila sa contribution, as we said earlier, pagdating sa mga individual scores nila.